In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to gear 5 in C's Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to play as Luffy or Gear 5 as one of the default characters when you join C's Battlegrounds. So as you can see, he is going to be the first character that you can access by default. And you will be able to use the standard base moveset and also a lot of cool abilities in the Gear 5 moveset, including Battleground Gun. So first, I want to showcase the base moveset. You are going to have Pinwheel, which grabs the opponent and then throws them like this. You have Hawk Gatling, so I'm gonna press 2 here, and as you can see, it is a bunch of punches, finishing with a strong one. You have Hawk Bullet, which basically dashes into the opponent and then slams them all the way over there, so it knockbacks a lot. And finally, you have Battle Axe. Like I said, these are all part of the base moveset. Once you fill out this purple bar at the bottom here below your health, after you use a lot of abilities and you do M1s on your opponent, you will be able to press G to awaken, and now you can access a different moveset. So this is going to be the animation of awakening. Now sadly the dummy was on the camera there, but as you can see we now have the new moveset, so you can use a lot of different moves here. So you have Kaminari, which is basically this big explosion on the ground. You have Gaijent. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Then we have Fukuru, so it is going to look like this. You are just going to slam your opponent around, and you will be able to do M1s, of course. And as you can see at the left, we can actually fill out the Battleground Gun. So I'm gonna fill out this bar super quick to show you what it looks like. It is a very cool move to use, and it is going to do a lot of damage. So after you hit your opponent a bunch, you will be able to use it over there. So once the Battleground Gun bar is filled at the left, you just have to tap it if you are on mobile or press the ultimate button on PC, which should be G by default, and you will see this animation play out. It is a crazy animation with a lot of audio, a lot of cool sounds, but sadly I am recording this video without audio on the game. Regardless, you can still tell by the animation that it is a very strong move, and you will be able to basically kill anyone that gets caught on it. So you will be able to use it by pressing G when you fill out the Battleground Gun bar. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Gear 5 in C's Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.